Hello students, welcome at Educare. This is Vinod Bihani, and to continue our mathematics session, in this session we'll see binomial theorem. Do you know we have expansion of brackets, especially we require that a plus b bracket square, a plus b bracket cube, but do you think before that 2 it is 1, before that 1 it is 0, then why not we can have a plus b bracket raised to 0 also, and we know such number raised to 0 is always equal to 1, means a plus b raised to 0 is 1. Similarly, if any bracket or any term raised to 1 means it is itself, so a plus b raised to 1 will be only a plus b. Then we have those two that frequently used in algebra, a plus b bracket square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, then a plus b bracket cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and plus b cube. All you know very well. So can you see, if index is 0, there is one term. If index is 1, there are two terms. If index is 2, there are three terms. Similarly, if index is 3, there are four terms. Then similarly we can have a plus b bracket raised to 4, but if you don't write, then only you can guess how many terms it will contain. This will contain 5 terms. So a plus b bracket raised to 4 will contain 5 terms, and then obviously in general a plus b bracket raised to n, which is written here, and that is called as binomial theorem for positive index, and that is a plus b bracket raised to n. How it is given by? It is given by this formula nc0 a raised to n b raised to 0 plus nc1 into a raised to n minus 1 b raised to 1 plus nc2 a raised to n minus 2 b square plus nc3 a raised to n minus 3 b raised to 3 dash 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 general term ncr into a raised to n minus r b raised to r plus dash 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 plus last term will be ncn a raised to 0 b raised to n. Here first term will be at same as a raised to n, and the last term will be at same as b raised to n. These are total n plus 1 terms. So in the expansion binomial theorem a plus b raised to n, all these RHS, how many terms they are? They are n plus 1 term. So this is the number of terms. And what about general term? General term formula is NCR a raised to n minus r b raised to r. That is the general term. This general term is denoted by this symbol also that I am going to write. Suppose first term denoted by T1, second term T2, third term T3 dash dash dash. The general term is TR plus 1, and that is the general term TR plus 1 is given by general term of this a plus b bracket raised to n expansion in binomial theorem is given by NCR into a raised to n minus r into b raised to r. To understand this, we will take some example, and suppose there is such expansion x plus y bracket raised to 11. We already know if this index is 11, there are 11 plus 1 means there are 12 terms in this expansion. And suppose we want to find the 7th term, that will be denoted by T7. According to this formula, T7 is the 7th term which can be written T6 plus 1, means here R equal to 6. And then using that formula we can have here n equal to 11, means that according to that formula NCR into a raised to n minus r into b raised to r, it will be 11c6 into a means x raised to n minus r means 11 minus 6 which is 5, and into b raised to means y raised to r is here 6, means that will come something like this. And we already know how to find 11c6 using our NCR formula. So that is the general term formula in that general binomial expansion of a plus b bracket raised to n. You might have understood this, and subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends, and press the bell button icon to get our notifications of the incoming videos. Thanks.